First thing I'm going to do, you can see that slime and different stuff I've used on this tire. After a while, it just bubbles out. This tire is no good as a tubeless tire, but I just use this thing around to trim around my farm equipment and things like that. This lawnmower. So I don't really care if the tire's cracked. It's not like I'm going to be driving down the highway or anything and have a blowout. I'm going to be going at a slow enough speed to not have a problem if this tire comes apart. But they're kind of expensive. Yeah, I'm not going to spend the money on a new tire because I have all sorts of thorns and different things that will cause me problems with the new tire too. So I have this nut sticking out over here, and I tried it once, but the nut kept us from going down far enough with the jack to break the bead. So I just have a couple of shims of wood that I had cut for leveling my travel trailer, and I'm going to go ahead. I'll get my old bones up, and I'm going to crank this. Voila, we have broken bead. So how easy is that?